What up? Welcome back. I finally decided to get the finger out and do a bit more on my lock kit. So I've cut off my heat shield or dust guard, whatever you want to call it. I was just going to notch it, but I said screw it. It's not getting driven in and out to work anymore. I'm not really going to have to worry too much about stones getting flicked up in anywhere. But while I was looking at this as well, I was going to go for the tighter hole, but if I get this on here, tough enough to do with one hand. Yeah, right, so if I've got that on the inner hole, when it goes all the way around, I might need to put some light on. We've got an issue with the sway bar drop link. It just gets where it bottoms out, so if I get the adjustable sway bar drop links, they bolt in from the other side, and then you don't have this lump sticking out here. So I think I'm going to have to go with the second hole, this one here, or well, first hole. I think that'd be the second one. So I think I'm going to have to go with the first one for a little while, but at least I get to see what it's like on that. And then I wanted to get sway bar drop links anyway, and sway bar bushes, so I think I'll get them and yeah, bolt her all up. But sure, I'll rearrange this bracket and then I'll bolt her all up and we'll see how much lock we get. Should be interesting. Right, it's all fitted on the driver's side, and I can see already just gone to full lock, right, and you can see it's just touching there, but I reckon there'll be more stuff touching by the time it gets to there anyway, because it's a decent amount of lock. Well, I get the disc and the wheel and everything back on, and I reckon I'm going to have to trim and bait a few bits. See, that's why, look, I don't know if he's probably noticed and heard me complaining about this before. I've had to, that was like probably that much longer. You can see how far out the skirt should be sitting. But I've had to fold up and remake a new lip and the whole lot in here because it had a bit of a tap before at some point. So that's why this is all out of whack. I reckon in here, in either the lower control arm or in where it mounts, there's a bit of a bend, so it's holding the wheel just back this side a little bit. It'll catch here, on the far side it will not catch at all. So I reckon a wheel hit here when he hit something hard here. So yeah, the joys of it. Oh well, but that's in and that's all tight. I just need to put the split pins in now and yeah, throw the wheel back on and we'll see how much lock it's after giving us. I reckon I have it pretty straight. It's wheel in the middle and yeah, it looks pretty straight. Can't really tell until the wheel goes back on, but we'll get that back on now in a second. Yeah. Now, with everything bolted back on, just going to put 2 wheel nuts in it because I still need to tighten up the spacer on the front. So just put 2 on just so that it don't fall off, and then we'll get to see how much lock and how much things we're going to hit, because I reckon we might rub a few things, but we'll see. Right, I reckon this way it's definitely going to hit. Right, so, oh Jesus, yeah, that's a nice bit more lock. That's it hitting. It's not actually rubbing anything yet, but I reckon when it's on the ground it might. Jesus, yeah, that's, yeah, nice. And we go the other way. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's loads more lock. I'd probably rub the intercooler pipes now. Yeah, might have to reroute that. But look at that. That's a great amount of lock. See the whole lot of the back wheel, or the back of the wheel. So yeah, I'm pretty happy. I'll just have to get it all back together and get it out onto the road and see does it drive straight. Because I reckon I have it lined up pretty straight. But sure, we'll see how it goes. It's getting there though, definitely getting there. Only one side left to do. It's already 33 bloody degrees. Whew. That'll just hold it in place. Yeah, that's the same as the other side, so they're either towed in a load or towed out a load, but they're both the same. So job. I like that now. I like that a lot. Still seeing there. Got plenty of lock on it now. Oh, I can't wait to get out to the skid pan now to test it and see. There was a day on it, just the weekend gone, but I wasn't in no mood to be doing anything, so meant.
That's something about the lock.
It's a lot better than it was, alright.
Yeah. Like when you look down here, you can see the rail and everything.
Right into the back
so
of the
much more locked.
Yeah, it's a lot better.
It's so good.
But I'm gonna have to wait until the new year to be able to test it. Because cars out rego, I must put it back down on the ground actually. Yeah, cars out rego, that's not really. But I can't drive it until I put rego on it. But sure, I could do that really any day. Just not ours.
Beer money though.
Exactly.
It's Christmas.
It's Christmas.
Got a
Why
drink.
not? Yeah.
Yeah.
So yeah, other than that, it's in and it's done. So just drop it on the ground, get some rego, and then get it aligned. I'll have to wait until January to test it out on the skid pan because there ain't no days. No, I still haven't cleaned
the inside of the window.
All the splash.
Nice cross hatching across it.
So yeah. But yeah, I'd say there'll be one in January, early January, and we'll get back out and we'll test the lock. I'll probably order some drop links, sway bar drop links, and some
They'd be cheap enough and
braided
handy
brake
enough to
links
get.
as well, so
Yeah.
I can get that little bend out of it. So
Yeah.
other than that, that's it. Ray's CRX is running really well.
It's running mint, changed the distributor on it, and it's made a world of difference. It's like a brand new car.
Yeah, so
It's so good. And that's the distributor that I've taken apart, and I've had other distributors, and I've swapped bits and dust. Yeah, chopped and cut wires and soldered in, and it's running 100 times better on it.
happy days.
So yeah,
This job's fine. I need to do another fuel filter on it. There's a bit of a chug in it, but yeah, it's definitely fuel filter because it's progressively getting
slower.
worse and worse. So
Yeah.
it's the fuel filter's getting clogged again.
yeah.
So
That's gonna be it for Christmas.
that's gonna be it. This video will be out on Christmas Day. So this is
Enjoy.
actually Christmas Eve. At the
Yeah.
minute. So yeah,
Yeah.
have fun and happy Christmas,
Aaron
family,
finally
friends.
got another Xbox, so we're all gonna play Forza online. And,
Finally back on Forza. I've been dying for a long time. It's been missing, but now I have to buy another bloody wheel and set up and shit like that. But
sorry.
oh well, we'll
I'm
get
only
there.
going with
That's
the controller anyway. So be
after
grand.
Christmas and the sales. Maybe we'll see what happens. But yeah, happy Christmas to family and friends everywhere around the world, and hope
Peace
you
out.
all have a good one.
See you next time.